Carl's trying to dig his hole and it's absolutely solid, like granite.
Yeah, looks like.
Yeah, well that stuff is making me wonder if that's what's round drain.
Over a drain.
Yeah, because that's what they do.
I mean, there was a layer of it right up here.
Yeah, because look, it's banging line there with them, isn't it? Good morning, YouTube. Monday again. We love it, don't we? We love it. Lads are just, sorry, I've just been busy. Lads are loaded up now. Just on the way, going out. Then just going there, he's got panels on his. Still a few left that we might need 2 more. I'm not sure, I did order a few more like, but can always nip back for some because it's only around corner. I'm just going to do some admin behind scenes now. Baggy's just said in his van, oh, lights just come on, engine oil change needed. We're just chatting there, and Ben's a bit of a mechanic as well as Carl. I just said, would you be able to do that? He went, oh yeah, easy. So, handy having mechanic engineer types on your teams, isn't it? So, I'll get them two to do engine oil change, I think, this week. Carl's back today, I think, from holiday. Don't think they've had the best weather over there, bless them. So he's probably back to work tomorrow, I think, Tuesday. Yeah, I'm still waiting on the suppliers coming back to me. Stack of panels there, which if you'd have seen my last video, tried passing some chick and everyone's off on me. I'd also take this opportunity to congratulate my sister-in-law Leanne, who just had a children's book published yesterday. We went to the book launch at Chapel Allerton. Lovely little bookshop there, very good. So congratulations Leanne. So yeah, I'll leave it at that for now, and I will see you soon. I'm over at LS17 actually, school outside of me, Catholic school, St Church. So I'm actually doing some work, not for this school, for this trust that this is from. Is it next week after, in holidays anyway. The main guy from trust has recommended me to this school. It's quite a decent job, to be fair. Like back there, it's all perimeter, which I haven't worked out exactly how much yet. I'll top my totals up, but I don't know if you can see, but in them woods there, it sort of goes like that and down there and returns. So yeah, decent job. If we got this one, it's probably not going to happen anytime soon. It might be next year's budget or whatever, but at least, you know, you've got to be in it to win it, haven't you, sort of thing. When I get back to office, try and work this one out and get it quoted over. The lads should be finishing at Carlton Bolling. Well, they might even be finished now, to be honest. Said a few more to get on this morning, and then they were going to do like a panel replacement repair for another school in Bradford. Forgotten where it is, Buttershaw, I think it was. It's one of those funny ones where they've brought I think it's through Amy's, and they brought a new system in now where you've got to do this online thing, like a test and declaration to say you've got DBS, all this sort of lot to work at school. It'll take them about half an hour, 3/4 of an hour each to do that. So it'll take them longer to do that, to actually do the job on site. But once they've done it, I think it lasts a year or something like that, because we do a bit for their sort of bunch of schools. They might have about 6 schools in the area that we sort of look after for them. So the lads are going to do that. They said you might as well go do that rather than starting another job. At least it gets that test and thing that they've got to do, validation thing out, where I did mine a while ago. So all it does is send you a code, a number, and then that's your code, and then you don't have to do all that again. You just give them the code and they know that you're alright, sort of thing. I'll stop waffling, get back to the yard. Oh, Carl's in now, by the way, so Ben's with Carl, giving him hand. He's got a few urgent jobs to get out. Hopefully I might get most of them done today, because then tomorrow we're working at Cavendish round corner, altering a double gate into a single gate, and a bit of trenching and stuff, because Matt's coming to put access control on and stuff like that. So he's got to do that as well. So Ben will be with him this week shadowing, and he'll be teaching him how to make gates and stuff like that as well. So. Morning, lads are loaded up. Beavis and Buck do a bit of palisade, 16.5 metres. Carl's just, he's round corner going to Cavendish, and he's basically putting that gate post in there. An existing double gate that we did last year, which at the time I said it wanted to be a single, which is the main pedestrian entrance, and now they've decided that they want access control, so basically we're taking a double out and making it into a single, and Matt's going and doing his wiring and putting access control and stuff. So Carl's got to dig a post in there with Ben this morning.
Good afternoon, we're over in Bradford today doing a small palisade job. We've took a load of chain link out, as you see. There was some chain link and some concrete posts with strainers on. We've cut all them out. There's a ball link land there, so we've just run it sort of level in. Come off that post. Couple of bays here. We're going to get this loaded out now, piled up. Coming up next couple of weeks, we've got a big sliding gate up there somewhere, what Mark said, and continuing on with a big fence line, some more palisade and some more other bits. So I'll show you a finished video what we've done here, and we'll be back tomorrow.
Somebody ring up that wants some palisade posts actually, which we're going to get all this sorted out. All this is going to get sorted out back end of the week, early next. Remove it all down there, but just had somebody ring up wanting 14 2.4 palisade posts, and I've got 14, so ka-ching. We love it when a plan comes together, we do. But he wants 300 extensions on them, so I think they might want welding on, but well, that's a bit of a job. I don't think he can do it himself. Not whether Carl's got time, but if not, I think if I were him, I'd bolt them. But anyway, I'll ring him back now and say I've got them, so I just can't get 41 every time I try and sort the shelving. Look how much better that is now. Every time I think, oh, I've got 5-10 minutes spare, something happens, somebody rings up, we do a quote, blah blah blah, but it is what it is. Sorting my stock out here. Everything by next week will be listed, what's in the yard, because we've got bits and bats everywhere that, you know, they come back off jobs and it just gets taken off at vans, stood up in yard somewhere, and there's all sorts everywhere. So even old stock from older suppliers that don't sort of match any new stock, whole centres, stuff like that. I think, well, I don't know, I might just either put them on Facebook Marketplace or something, or just scrap them, because it just, you're forever moving them. So I think that's what we'll do, we'll just scrap them next week.
This one is set double leaf gates, which are actually changing to a single with access control, so one leaf off, that existing leaf staying, put a post in here and then a piece of mesh panel there. Got Matt here beavering away, doing his access control, so catch up later.
We're just at Cavendish now that I watch because kids are out. Carl's trying to dig his hole and it's absolutely solid, like granite.
Yeah, looks like.
Yeah, well that stuff is making me wonder if that's what's round drain.
Over the drain.
Yeah, because that's what they do.
I mean, there was a layer of it right up here.
Yeah, because look, it's banging line there with them, isn't it? So.
They're not out here though.
Yeah, but it might go up mains. Yeah, you know what I mean. In fact, oh no, that's electric up there, isn't it? I thought that gate was meant to be staying, but apparently it's this one now. Oh, you took a panel then, Carl, yeah?
Yeah, they were none big enough.
Like what, 2.4 anyway, at least that's one thing. Obviously Matt's doing his automations. I'm going to fix it all on there. Steel conduit, as you can hear, I'll watch what I'm filming, so kids are out. It's all getting steel conduit on there. And then we've just got to dig across there and then into the building. But yeah, it's looking well. Nice fence. Just to reiterate how professional we are here, look, all fenced off. Our work area, so they can still get in and out for now while we're working there. Got it more or less dug. Can't quite get that a height, but it's solid in there. It's good 18 inch, it's wide enough, but I'm just worried it's like granite that drains are there, look, so I think it might be there. So I don't want to dig through that. Cat scanned it, but obviously it's not coming up without, so I think it's drained, so that's definitely deep enough there. It's only a clapper anyway.
So there we've Gunner's Gate. It's all nice and neat. That was the other leaf there, which we've put this extra post in. No latch at the minute because Matt's to finish off his access control on here. Matt's face fixed his conduit down this wall. And there and down, and me and Ben have done this groundwork here. Across that path. Re-tarmacked it with some cable ducting in there. Just going back out over there. All good for Matt to crack on tomorrow.
So yeah, the lads got done yesterday, a little palisade job. Ben and Baggy here now to get rid of this chain link actually. Do this job here which I've had sat for a couple of weeks. Barriers here, 5 barriers to replace at a site, top of Bradford, Manchester Road. Basically they've got some existing ones that have all rusted, so won't be the most glamorous job, but basically they want digging out and replacing. Anyone know why that light blinks there? I don't know who it is. Landlords, but it needs to be blinking every night. So yeah, I shall get off now and get lads loaded up and see you shortly. Afternoon. Sun's out a bit, but it is still windy. I've been out all day. I've got to get a video. I've been over to Wetherby, see a school. I've been to Bradford, see another school where we've done some works before. And in between that time, lads have cried off again. I don't know what's up with them, but yeah, anyway. Carl's been busy. He's been cutting his steel for his gate seal up. So he's done his posts there. We'll knock them together tomorrow and then get them into Gal for weekend. Yeah, it's Thursday now already. We're having a good sort out day today. Emptied that full of scrap. We're just doing another one now. Loads of scrap. We're even throwing good stuff away. Crank posts, everything. We're just trying to get rid of it, clearing. Carl's beavering away making his gates. We've cleared all this area already. Keeping a few panels so when we do his concreting, but I've cleared most of this. I've just started picking litter up now, so it's like a vortex here, it seems to collect. A few bits yet, probably that pail there and that post can go. Yeah, we've had a bit of a team meeting this morning, bit of a sort out of the few issues that we've been having with jobs and each other and this and the other. I think we've more or less got it sorted out now, so we've sort of agreed to disagree on a few things, and other things we've tried a few little different ways of working, so we're all helping each other a bit more. Sometimes it feels one's pulling one way and one's pulling another, so yeah, we're going to give that a go for a while, see how we get on. Hopefully all sorted out. If not, we'll look at it again. You know, all we can do is try and improve ourselves and also the company. So yeah, I shall leave it at that for now. I'm meeting my accountant in an hour or so for lunch actually. And go through a few things. This is all part of what I'm talking about now, but I can't really reveal all at the minute. Taking me somewhere, paying for my lunch. So yeah, I shall just get sorted out here and then go get changed because I'm not going in my IVs, so I'll nip home, get changed, have a quick shower. I'll go meet him for lunch. So yeah, in fact my phone's ringing now, so I'll answer this and see you soon. Afternoon, Friday afternoon already. I've just pulled up actually. I'm just meeting my accountant for a bit of lunch and having a meeting at the Bula, so whatever it's called, Bela. Yeah, he's already rung me, so I presume he's already here. I'm not sure, I can't see his car actually. But, yeah, I'll get out in a minute, make my way in, and probably be an hour or so, like I say, with a few things to go through. So yeah, I'll say ta-da on this one for now. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.